experiment or cause in Russian tell me something about that.
About the artwork, about Claypel. Okay. I've met Claypel parang years ago pa, kasi 20 years na sila. And then recently, I've got an invite for a lunch, for a brainstorming. So na-meet ko sila 3 weeks ago. And when the product was presented to me, nagulat ako kasi at this point in my life naman, naghahanap ako ng product that can bridge my sciences, which is nursing and PT, and yung experience ko sa corporate world into the artistry I'm doing. And parang perfect si Claypel kasi actually Claypel can be used for wellness and it can also used for retraining or training ng mga bata for refined hand movements or yung finger movements or what we call fine motor movements. So actually ginagamit siya sa occupational therapy ng mga nurses, ng psychiatrists and psychologists, and sa physical therapy. So with my artistry also, pag nilagay siya sa Claypel, parang ang ganda nung output na na-proud ako sobra kasi ang ganda niya. And parang as an artist, you can never really go wrong. With my background as a PT and a nurse, and having worked outside of the Philippines in New York, parang ang ganda-ganda niya as a product. So I'm also very thankful sa Claypel na yung mga artwork ko actually pwedeng lagyan or gawing sa workshop and sa mga bata or anyone of any age can do the artwork, yung paglalagay nung recycled paper dun sa artwork itself. Parang for me, parang sobrang ganda nun. Sobrang gandang opportunity na ibang tao can also do that, yung i-colorize nila yung artwork ko. So, di ba, parang win-win for me. So, that's Claypel for me. At this point in my life, sobrang swerte ko na na-meet ko sila and they're open to signing me up as an artist and doing the product for them. So, that's Claypel.
How about the artwork? Paano mo na-feeling?
So mabilisan din to kasi I don't wanna miss the opportunity na magki-Christmas, magpapasko, and this can actually be a very good gift. Hirap siguro tayo ng isa. This would be a really nice gift na pwede yung nakabox. Yan, kahit ano. Kasi in the box, complete na siya ng artwork. So you will have this inside, and then yung colorized na clay made of recycled paper, and may ano na siya, kasama dun sa clay yung pandikit. So parang for Christmas, hinabol ko talaga siya. And I'm so lucky, ang bilis ng production nila because this is fully Filipino product. So gawa siya sa Pilipinas, gawa siya ng mga Pilipino. So sobrang nakaka-proud. So actually their factory is in Pandacan, Paco, Manila. So mabilis nilang nagawa yung artwork ko. So when they requested 2 weeks ago, when they requested for me to do 5 artworks, mabilis ko siyang ginuhit. So ano lang siya, line art sa paper, on a watercolor paper with charcoal pen. So mabilis kong ginawa na, and then when they saw it, approved na agad and ready for production siya. There are artists, may in-house artists din sila who helps. So yung artist nila, nilakihan lang yung line kasi parang pencil lines lang siya nung ginawa ko. So ayan, may print na sila and I think they're ready for Christmas. If you wanna order my artworks, then it would be available. Send me a message, send Claypel a message. I think it would be also available in their website right away. You visit their website, send me a message, or Claypel, call them to order. So may ganito kami kalalaking artworks that you can order or you can select.
Actually, variety of size or one size na lang.
Ang sabi sa akin ganitong size, so yung biggest size nila ang available immediately. Pero we can also request ng smaller. They have 3 sizes actually. They have this small, and then my mid size, which is half of this. And ito na yung biggest nila na. Help mo ako sa price. Price. So, it was small, medium, large.
Biggest size, 1,395.
1,395 yung big size, which is this one. And then ang mid size,
795.
795. Yung small,
Yan.
495, right?
395.
395. So, pwedeng pang regalo, di ba? Na you're not giving a gift lang na simple artwork. Ito yung smallest. Okay. So, what you're giving for Christmas, promotion ko. What you're giving for Christmas is the gift of wellness. And for children na may problem with their fine motor, pwede nyo ring gift to para matulungan natin sila para magkaroon ng fine motor movement or hand movement or hand grasp or pinch yung mga bata na they can make use of this kasi this is very interesting. Matutulungan natin silang ma-develop yung fine motor movement ng kamay. For wellness, alam naman natin that anxiety is very high. And then lalo na magki-Christmas, no? This also helps. So with expressive therapy, yung pagko-color, yung pagdudut-dut. Actually, ang tawag ko doon, ako lang to nag-term, defragmentation. Kung naalala nyo yung laptop before, may pinipindot tayo. Yung old laptops, may pinipindot kasi at midnight. Parang yung pixels ba yun? Or basta something within the computer na di-disorganize. So pinipindot mo to defragment para kinabukasan mabilis uli siya. So same thing, sa expressive therapy, yun talaga yung parallelism ko. When you do artwork, and ito yung pagdududot, putting colors, na may output ka na magandang artwork at the end, na di-defragment yung brain. So actually, dahil nafo-focus ka dun sa artistry mo or sa artwork sa ginagawa mo, nakakalimutan mo yung problem, nalilesen yung anxiety, bumababa yung blood pressure, bumababa yung heartbeat natin, nare-relax ka, at na-enjoy mo what you're doing. So, ganun yung gift na bibigay nyo sa Christmas. When you're giving Claypel, you're not only giving yung physical artwork, you're giving an activity for them, and then you're giving the gift of wellness, the gift na maturuan natin sila ng artistry, and the gift nung matulungan natin ma-develop yung fine motor movements. Yung mga stroke patient natin na walang hand grasp, walang pinch, pwede rin siyang gamitin. So yung sila daddy or sino man no, nakapamilya natin, pwede nyo siyang i-gift para magkaroon siya ng interest na hawakan uli yung pen or any object, yung pang dut-dut, matuturuan natin silang yung fine motor movements ma-develop natin ulit.
So how many colors yung available for your print?
Actually, hindi ko dinefine yung color. When I submitted, it's plain. Pero may suggested sila, hindi ko pa lang nakita yung box. May suggested silang colors, but with it, pwede ka mag-combine. Ilang colors ang laman ng box? 4. So 12 colors. So you'll have the opportunity to make use of 12.
8 for the...
So since big, 12 colors siya. And then pwede ka pang, since it's parang clay texture, pwede mo siyang i-mix. So blue with green, blue with yellow para mag-green, or add water lang. So you can also do mixing of colors using Claypel. So kayo nang bahala mag-interpret, pero I'm sure the box will have a suggested color pag introduce na nila. Talagang minabilis lang namin to kaya nag-print lang for this launch. But pag may ganito na may suggested color yan, makikita nyo dun sa gilid. Yung support. Pero interesting yun kasi you can come up with your own colors. Ako, I'm so happy kahit basic color, red, yellow, and blue. Pag nilagay mo at kinumbine mo plus white or neutral colors na brown, maganda siya tingnan. So parang ako na-excite ako nito kasi nung naalala ko yung mosaic artwork at yung pag-watercolor ng elementary. Parang naalala mo yun, nare-recall mo, parang excited ako pag art subject dati ng elementary. Sobra akong na-excite. Kaya when I saw this, ang ganito ka-colorful. Yung output niya kasi parang masyadong makulay. Any color at all. Di mo yung yellow and red, very color. Yung color niya buhay na buhay. So very interesting ang magiging output niyan. And of course, after doing the kulay, pwede mo rin siyang ipa-frame or this one, like this. Nag-frame din sila. Or kung kayo sa National, you can buy frame and then dun mo siya ilagay. Kasi ganito lang yung pag naka-box, parang ganitong cardboard yung laman nun. So you can have this frame para masabit ninyo. So you now have a Virgo artwork na kayo yung nagkulay. So it becomes your own artwork. It's not a Virgo color anymore. It's your color. So parang ano tayo, collaborative. So may outline, Pinay, Filipina women, ang 5 different types. then on your own, you can do coloring. So, color nyo, collaborative tayo. Art. So, parang line art ko and then your color. So, parang artwork natin pareho. And then you can make sabit na in your wall. Diba? Interesting.
Saan ka mabibili?
So, you can order sa website nila, Claypel website. Tipin dito. So, they have Facebook page. Claypel, K-L-A-Y. Parang clay, K-L-A-Y. Pel, yung papel, T-E-L. Kasi recycled paper siya and na ginawang parang clay yung material na pandikit. So, they have their website. You can order from the website. May Lazada rin ba kayo? May Lazada, may Shopee, may Facebook, TikTok. You can order from there.